Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sentry source maps for stack traces, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Sentry source maps for stack traces, begin by logging into your Sentry account. Navigate to your project where you want to configure source maps. Look for the Settings tab in the left-hand menu and click on it. In the Settings page, find the Client Keys section. Here, copy your project's DSN string. This string is crucial for linking your application to Sentry. Next, ensure your application is set up to generate source maps. If you're using a build tool like Webpack or Rollup, configure it to create source maps during the build process. For Webpack, add the DevTool property in your configuration file and set it to source map. In Rollup, use the source map option in the output configuration. After ensuring source maps are produced, you will need to upload them to Sentry. Install the Sentry CLI tool if you haven't already. You can install it globally using npm with the command npm install g at sentry/cli. After installation, go back to your project directory. Run the Sentry CLI command to upload the source maps. Use the command Sentry CLI releases new version to create a new release. Replace version with your application's current version number. Next, use the command Sentry CLI releases set commits auto version to link the release with your code. Finally, upload the source maps with the command Sentry CLI releases files version. Make sure to replace path_to_source maps with the directory where your source maps are located. After this, finalize the release with Sentry CLI releases finalize version. Once completed, your source maps are now activated for the corresponding stack traces in Sentry. To verify, trigger an error in your application and check the stack trace in Sentry to see the map source files. With these steps, your source maps should now properly enhance your stack trace visibility in Sentry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.